Hello, this is Brother Oats. The first three chapters of Revelation, in particular, the second and third chapters, deal with what we call the seven churches of Asia Minor, modern-day Turkey. Chapters 2 and 3, the Lord of the church, the Lord Jesus Christ, addresses these churches individually. Two of the churches he commends. There is nothing bad to say about them. The other five, however, there is a mixture of good and bad. For example, the first church at Ephesus, after saying some good things about this church, Revelation chapter 2 and verse 4 says, "Nevertheless, I have somewhat against thee, because thou hast left thy first love." When you love Jesus less, you will love something else more. By the time you get to the seventh and final church, the church at Laodicea, it is a church in name only. In fact, it is a dead church. Jesus is not even inside this church. He is on the outside at the door of the church and knocking. Revelation chapter 3 and verse 20, "Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If any man hear my voice and open the door, I will come in unto him and will sup with him and he with me." Question: how does the church end up being a church in name only? A dead church. An autopsy would reveal that it begins like the church at Ephesus, with apathy. Again, when you begin to love Jesus less, you will begin to love something else more. You'll never know love, real love, until you know Jesus, who demonstrated real love on a real cross for you. Bereans, search the scriptures. God bless you.